To clean storage on Poco F7 Pro, all you simply have to do is first go into the settings. From here move into About Phone, and there move into Storage. And right here you can see your storage, and here is the button to free up some amount of data. So as you press this button, right here we are being forwarded into the Cleaner application, and this will scan for some unnecessary files, and here you can see what has been scanned and what can be deleted. As you press, for example, for the memory, you can see there are 200 megabytes of data for the memory, so you can press on this arrow right here to take a look what is being actually cleaned. So simply press cleanup, and now it is being cleaned. Additionally, if you want to clean up more storage, actually, let me just go back here. If you want to clean up more storage, as you swipe down a little bit, here you can find the deep clean. As you go in there, you can, for example, uninstall some unnecessary applications, clear some application data, and here you can clean some other applications if available, as you can see. And yeah, that's it.